If you're tired of every project starting with building a jig before you can build your project, you're ready for Woodpeckers' new joinery sled. They're in production now, so let's head out to the shop and see how they're made. The foundation of the joinery sled is its 3/4 inch thick phenolic base. Here you can see one of our large format CNC machines adding a chamfer to the bottom side of the base. Meanwhile, the angle adjustment plates are being cut on our high-powered laser cutter before being bent into shape at one of our press brakes. Over in our turning department, the knurled micro adjustment knobs are being milled from 1 1/4 inch diameter 12-foot steel rods on one of our CNC Swiss lathes. Across the shop, we're adding slots to the hold-down clamps. And over in our laser department, the anodized aluminum fence is receiving its brand graphics. Once all the parts are complete, they head to our assembly department. Here, you can see the leaf springs being secured to the miter bar. After assembly is complete, everything is neatly packed up and shipped directly to your shop. Like all Woodpeckers products, we make each joinery sled right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Dial in perfection on both your table saw and router table with Woodpeckers Joinery Sled. Order yours today.